channel. Today I'm going to share with you a product, Pure Haven, which I am super excited to share with you guys. So I love this brand because their products range from hair masks to actual hair products to scrubs, which I personally love. It is such a compact little bottle. I mean, look at it. You can literally put it in your purse and go anywhere. And if your hair is getting frizzy, you just squirt it and then smooth it through your hair. I don't like putting things in my hair that could cause lots of problems. Products like, I know there was a whole Diva Curl scandal, which was a curly hair product that a lot of people lost a lot of hair over. And were like balding and stuff, which I felt really bad about. So thankfully I had stopped using the product for a long time. And that was before all the issues came about. So this will not happen. You are totally safe. You know what's in the products, and if there's ever an issue, you can contact them directly, and I'm sure they'll answer all your questions. So without further ado, I'll show you what I did this morning. In particular that you would love to see, then I am willing and available to try anything. I am moving, so it might take a little bit longer, but within the next few weeks you'll be seeing me packing. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.